Hello traders, hello traders. Today is the 6th of March 2013. The time in London is 41 minutes past 12 p.m. In New York, 7:42 a.m. Happy trading to you all. The title of this video is The Power of the Master Key, a Day, a Trading System. At the end of this video, one will learn, okay, a specific, okay, a day, a trading techniques, okay, that work. All right. So according to the rules of the master key day trading, if we want to scan for stock, we are scanning for stock that are overbought on a 4-hour chart and also stock that are oversold on a 4-hour chart, because we know, going into the mind of other traders, if the stochastic is overbought, more than 80% of traders will place a trade to sell very, very often. So it's very, very interesting for us when we see the stochastic overbought. Sometimes the price will not go down. Instead, the price will go up. And a lot of traders who are not mature traders, who do not understand the stochastic indicator, will give away some of their money, and other traders that are smart, okay, will make money. And I've been on the wrong side of the stochastic for some time, and I have discovered exactly what was taking place, and that's why we came out with the master key day trading system. It's just one setup you want to master and become a specialist of it. 4-hour chart, stochastic overbought. You want to know when the price can run away from the sellers. When the stochastic is oversold, you want to know when the price can run away from the buyers, going down more. Though the stochastic was oversold, price can go down. You see here, this section here, pay attention. Okay, so this is just about the master key. This is it, speciality. Okay, trading when a lot of people, okay, making money when people are giving away their money. Okay, right here. You see here? So though the stochastic was oversold for the first time here when I placed my vertical line, since this point was oversold, pointing to us this support level here. Okay, that support level is kaput, price roll it down. Okay, a lot of traders will be just moving their stop loss, buying, 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 because the stochastic is oversold. The stochastic is oversold does not mean that the price itself is oversold. One must learn to master the stochastic and understand the message that the stochastic is pointing to us. Just simple. So here is one live example for you today, especially for those who are master key traders. Is overbought, yes or no? It's overbought on the forex chart, stochastic 833. Though we use a different stochastic for the master key. Here I'm using stochastic 833. All right, right here. All right, you see now. I want to buy. I don't want to sell. Though a lot of traders are selling here. All right. Let's go, for instance, to the 1-minute chart to show you what the price is doing there. Okay. Look, it's running away. you know. So people are selling, but the price start running away. In fact, I'm trading this now. My target is at one. Is at 8.3. Okay, 8.3, 5.6, somewhere up here. If I go, I'll go to the 10-minute chart. You'll see it now. My target. I'll show you where my target is. All right. I'll draw a line there, somewhere up here. Okay. So as soon as the price hits that zone, I'm just going to go, okay, and take my profit. Even if they go up more, doesn't matter for me. I did not lose. That's the most important thing for me. And also, I know that there are some important news about to be released, so I want to be very, very conservative. All right, I don't want to show total disrespect to other traders. And my target is here. It may hit it, it may not. All right, it may not. So I will see how the market is playing and what sort of blah 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 is going on. And if I'm not happy about it, I will take what I got. The important is that, okay, I get something out of it. All right. So you see now, Though the stochastic was overbought on the 4-hour chart, going to the mind of other traders, a lot of traders have already placed a trade to sell. And what usually takes place, because myself I've done it before, so I know how it is. You will be moving your stop loss, and the price will be going up. Moving your stop loss, price will be going up, and it's not a nice feeling. All right, because the price is looking for a better resistance level. Let's go to my favorite time frame, the 3-minute chart that I use. You see, gold just start running. My target is up here. Do not forget, it's somewhere up here. Hopefully, they will be nice to me before the news, because there's one important news around. Um, as I'm doing this in front of you, all right, okay, yeah, it's all after it, okay, 12:47, okay, on the 6th of March 2013. As soon as the video is ready, I'll post it on www.youtube.com for a slide George Trio talking about a master key, a day, a trading, okay, the power of the master key day trading. Another thing, let's go back again to the 4-hour charts. I can share this with you, okay? Nothing wrong with it, all right? But if you want to buy the master key, you need to go to www.dayprotraders.com, okay? You are buying, okay, a ticket to watch a confidential, okay, video that will show you how to use the master key, and you also will learn it, watch it, learn it, and then apply it. That's it. Nothing special about it. So, by the way, ladies and gentlemen, pay attention. What's happening here on this 4-hour chart? Talking about the price itself and everything else that I've said before, what's happening here? All right, what's happening? Look, I'm keeping quiet for a while. You see my target is the red line here. What's happening here on this 4-hour chart? Okay, did you see what's happening? Okay, if you start drawing lines, channels, trend line, you will see what is happening here right now. All right, can you see it? Okay, I hope you see it. So I'm in a good mood this morning, so I can share this with you now. I can show you what's happening here. If we start, I'm going to draw my line here because I just want I will draw the line like this. What do you see? You see? Out of a bearish channel, retest, boom. All right. Now price is at a why the stochastic is overbought in this zone. It's pointing to us. This is what I say to trader on every time frame. When the stochastic is overbought, it's pointing to us a resistance level. Sometimes the indicator is distorted. Trader will use their own eyes, 2 eyes, not one. Don't close one. Keep both open. All right, just for fun, I'm saying this. All right, don't think that. All right, so don't close one eye. All right, so both eyes, okay, to see whether it's a valid resistance or not. What's happening? All right, so you see the first time here. Pay attention to my vertical, black vertical line here. So it goes from oversold and then it comes to overbought zone for the first time. All right, so it's telling that there's a resistance here, George. So I say which one? I keep my eyes. So okay, so I'm looking which resistance here. Well. The one I can see, okay, if I look on my left hand side, okay, see the price went up a bit here and they changed direction. So there's a kind of resistance here. If you like, we can draw a line there. And I will call it turquoise. In turquoise, we can see it now. You see, so when it you see stochastic, let's show you this. So you don't get into this mistake all the time because we use stochastic 833, TSTW24, TSTW008. We are stochastic traders, and with other things that we do. All right, so we want to understand what our tools. All right, yeah. You see. Overbought for the first time, which means above 75 for the first time, is pointing to us this turquoise resistance level. Moving my cursor, you see the price changing direction here. This is a hot spot on the zone. Went down and changed direction here. This is a hot spot on the zone. Here again, hot spot on the zone. Went down, changing direction. Went down, changing direction. So it was not a bad job that stochastic did here by warning us that George, watch it. There's a resistance you are pushing a resistance level. Which one is there? No bad job. You can see that some traders at that point in time, they sold it a bit, but they also knew that the price out of, they also knew these are small traders, Very smart. You see, trading is a bit unfair game because you are trading against some people who are smarter than you. It's not very friendly, all right? You don't have the same level of a trading. Same thing, TSTW24 traders. Some of the traders I know they are ahead of many other traders. Same thing for TSTW as well as use your 8. You are in the same group. You are trading the same financial instrument, but other traders are more advanced than you. A bit unfair, all right? That's why you want to open a demo account and you don't do your exercise in your own room. If you've done karate before, you go to the judo, you do your training together with your group. But when you come into your house, okay, all right, you lock yourself in your room, you do your demonstration, yeah, your kakatogiri, all the other beats, okay. You warm up, you learn some hidden trick that your colleague does not know, and when you go to the judo, you start beating your all right. It's not in a bad way, yeah, because you are practicing karate. All right, that's it. So that's what you do. Same thing for judo. So, all right. So the same thing we do in trading. So the same thing we are doing here, learning to trade. So they also knew that the smarter they knew that the price is out of the bearish channel. So they don't want to be too greedy selling it all the way, forcing it down. So quickly, as soon as it's coming near the edge of the channel, they took their profit. Boom! Now price went up. All right. That's all I can say now. I'm going to remove my line. If you want to know more about stochastic and the rest, okay, check our channel and many video on YouTube about stochastic, blah 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 blah. And here I want to talk about the master key day trading tool, a simple trading tool. But what I say to traders, please don't waste your time and your money. Go and buy the master key, and you don't bother to understand it, and you go around again repeating the same mistake over and over. It's pointless. Don't get into it. There are videos there you need to watch, and if you don't understand it, you have to get back to me. And if you are taking a trade you went home, okay, send them in, and that's how you can learn it. But if you are not prepared to do it, please do me a favor. Don't get involved at all. All right, don't get involved. Don't get involved. All right. There are a lot of free material. Go to www.stochastima.com, click on document, free training system there. Get it for free. Keep your money, all right? Keep your money and enjoy yourself. Plenty of video channels on YouTube daily, every Sunday. A lot of my fellow traders put excellent videos. Yes, learn it. Learn it for free. All right? Learn it for free. All right? And keep your own money in your pocket. All right? So, because sometimes it annoys me. I see some people, they come and buy some of our system and then they disappear. We don't know where they are, and God knows what they are doing. Unless they are hedge fund trying to buy trading to use privately, they want to be anonymous. But for me, I'm not interested in those kind of traders, please. Or I'm not. All right. So moving on very fast. I'm looking for traders that want to learn to trade. Trader that has been going around for some time, okay, and they don't know what's going on. I have some traders that sometimes they contact us. They are not TST traders, and they ask questions, simple question, and some will send you email and say, "Joe, thank you very much." There were some this last week again. Thank you very much for your video at www.stochastima.com. Excellent video. Thank you for the hard work. Well, hard work. Well, thank you. Well. So, these are the things we are doing all the time here. But there is what I'm saying here is so important because you see now what I'm showing now. The price going up. Yes, in fact, I enter in this zone 8323. Okay, 8323. So far I got 10 pips, around 10 pips. Not bad. All right. So I have a bit of what we call a margin of safety. Margin of safety. Suppose you want to buy stock and hold. All right, let's talk about margin of safety. As I'm here standing watching the price to do what the price want to do. Hopefully, you hit my target before that crazy news because there are some news coming up soon. So I'm keeping eyes on my fellow traders also to go into their mind, know what they're doing because otherwise I'll take my 10 people and go. All right. All right, talking about margin of safety. All right, you want to buy stock and hold for a long time, 5 years, 10 years. Okay, let's say 10 years. The margin of safety It's a stock that is you have a good company, okay, which you can okay look for find a good company. Now wait for the price to go really below the smart median line, which means below its fair value, its technical fair value, big time. So for one reason, all right, the market was a bit bearish, and this gorgeous company, okay, has given you probably okay more than 61.8% discount. But you can spend maybe 4 weeks watching these stocks. But because the price, you see how it's running fast now, a lot of people stop loss being taken out. Those people on the 4 hour chart that were selling, if their stop loss taken out, and you'll see the price will run very, very fast. That's the gorgeousness of the master key. And you see that it doesn't mean that anytime the stochastic is overbought on the 4 hour chart, the price will break out and go. No, 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 no. You see now, traders, some of my fellow traders see, which this is high frequency traders. Every resistance they take profit here. So the computer is telling the high frequency trader resistance level, they take profit. Sometimes they will sell completely here and mess up a beautiful setup. These people sometimes they get on my nerve, but there's nothing I can do about it. Only okay to just smile. Okay, all right, all right. If I don't like it, okay, I close my trade and go. All right. So you may see sometimes they waste your time with the high frequency trading tools on the 1 minute or the 10 second on the 1 minute. Okay, now let's go back again to the to this. All right, ladies, forgive me for this. Let's go back to the margin of safety. All right, I'm talking a bit too much today. All right, maybe I'm because of these chocolates I'm eating here. So margin of safety. So they stock that a good company, which means have excellent market share, excellent product, excellent management. Okay, all right, and business going well. But for one reason, the price give you okay a 61.8% discount. Wow. After you have been watching this, you put it on your watch list, watching it, waiting, or even praying that, okay, this stock one day give you a nice discount, all right? And finally, it happened, all right? What is happening there is has given you, okay, a huge margin of safety. Suppose the fair value of, all right, the company that you want to buy is here. Pay attention to this blue line here, all right? It's here. So during that time you were watching it for month, for month, for month. Suddenly, it give you discount, boom, 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 down to this level, and you bought it. You have a margin of safety. You see, excellent. Even if you buy it here, it's a margin of safety. So you know that the real value of that company is the blue line here. You bought it here. Even if you go down to this level, you still in a profit because the real value of the company is up here. You bought it here. Though it went down a bit to this level, even to this level, you still have a margin of safety. If they close the business today, they sell everything, you are still not losing money. You have enough space. This is what we call the margin of safety. But suppose the true value is here, okay, and the price for one reason or another, this was I say to traders, wait for the healthy pullback. I see traders chasing momentum, traders chasing. I need to buy, I need to buy, I need to buy. I miss opportunity. So what? Don't worry about it. Another opportunity will come soon. Suppose the price went up to this level, okay? As I'm doing this video, about the power of the master key day trading, because we are doing it live, so I'm waiting for the price instead of being quiet here. I'm talking to you. I hope you like it, okay? Suppose the price went here. Though the true value of the company or the fair value of the company is the blue line here, and you bought it here. You bought it, okay? It's like somebody giving you, all right, all right. You buy a bracelet. The value of the bracelet, okay. Suppose the bracelet you bought it from Selfridges. It's a big shop store, okay, in London. Selfridges, okay. The price is £1,000, okay. But somebody was smarter than you and convinced you that in fact the price is 2,000. So which means you see the fair value is here, but you bought it here at double the value of the company. You don't have any margin of safety. As soon as it starts going down a bit, you are losing straight away. You are losing big time, man. And you have to really, really hope that the management push it, okay, really, really hard, all right, to, okay, earn you something, or you may decide to close it altogether and call it a bad day or something like that, or look for another opportunity instead of okay giving everything away. This is about the margin of safety. So the trick that we traders use when they are day trading like this, they want to buy, suppose it's running like this. Sometimes the price go fast, you know. It's same thing if I show you now, okay, as we are doing this. I'm just going to change my screen. I want to bring on the Euro USD. I mean that funny situation right now with the Euro USD. I did going down a bit though. Okay, let's go this on the 3-minute chart now. Okay, I want to go to the hourly chart this time. Okay, so I'm waiting to buy the euro. All right, this is a secret. Don't tell anyone. All right, don't tell anyone. I want to buy, but you know the price since yesterday. See fifth. This is the fifth yesterday. They went up quickly. All right, I was expecting the price instead to roll it down a bit. You know, I even tweeted about it. I know it's bullish, very bullish. Though there are a lot of blah 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 about Cyprus, Italy, and all these things. It is oversold. All right, it's oversold. So I want to buy, but I want to buy it here near this red line. I hope this is my red line that I draw. Yes, exactly, that's my red line. It's a critical price level. But I'm hoping, for one reason or another, that the price slowly by gradually. This is about trading like a cat or adopting the Zulu hunter mindset. All right, if you accept those words, and slowly but gradually they bring it to my zone. And it doesn't mean that if it come to my zone, I'll just jump on it and buy. I want to check the market environment and wait for a value signal. So this is what I'm talking about. I will have a better margin of safety if I manage to get it near this zone of 1 to 9, okay, and 5-3. Even if I get it around, okay, if I have a value signal, which means I'm paying attention to this support level here, I want to not A0, not too bad, but that's not what I want, truly, okay? I'll prefer it to come near 1 to 9, okay, 5-3. That will make me more happy and to give me a clear-cut, beautiful, gorgeous, okay, a bullish signal. Do not tell anyone. This is confidential. Though we are talking on YouTube, though. All right, okay. Okay. So you see now, so I want to buy, but I don't want to buy here because I want, okay, a margin of safety. The same thing if you are trading or whether you want to take any signal or not. There's a support here. That's why I put this blue line here. I feel a bit thinking to buy. That's why I put this line here before. But I don't think I want to do it that way because sometimes you will try to play it and then they will push it back down. I don't like that because there are better support level, even a near 12980 zone. That would be more interesting to me. You see, that's what I'm talking about. Let's go back again, okay, to our New Zealand dollar, US dollar currency pair, talking about the power of the master key day trading. So what's happening here on this 4-hour chart? You can see that the stochastic entity beautifully, gorgeously. In fact, some trader will do like this. See, they will say what? This is what? A divergence. I've seen it all the time, people talking about divergence like this. Now, but those who are following us on www.240, we know that there is a time when the price will give a false divergence. So this is one here. But I don't want to go too much into another blah blah blah. All right. The point is the power of the master key. So traders will see this is the divergence. Well, but if you are using stochastic, another thing that we discussed on YouTube, talking about MACD reloaded videos, which you can search for MACD reloaded video. I revealed to traders for the first time that in fact the stochastic on one time frame is MACD on another time frame. Almost, not 100%, all right, almost. How do we know? We keep our eyes, both eyes open. That's how we find out, okay? So this stochastic on a 4-hour chart is the MACD on the hourly chart. Almost. All right? There are more to this, which I don't want to talk about. But it takes me a lot of time, the amount of time I spend to, okay, and look at the chart. I mean, it's too much. So the stochastic is beautiful overbought. Some traders may say, okay, it's a bearish divergence. So you can see traders sold it first with the blue line. But as I'm talking to you like this, something else is bothering me because of there is the economy new coming out. So let's look at it together because maybe you never go to www.forexfactory.com. It's not difficult. I can show you here how you do it. You go to, okay, Google, You type in, okay, Forex Factory. It doesn't take too long, and I will show you that it's not difficult at all. And then you press the big button, which is the enter. You will see soon it will come up, and I will show you that it's not difficult. Anybody can do it. Okay, even a 6-year-old child can do this. Okay, so this is it. The page is open nicely. All right. Or if you are on our website, any of our website, www.stochastic.com, you are there watching videos, and you remember that, okay, I have to check economy news. Just click on the tab, the page, economy calendar. It will bring you right here, straight away, right here. Okay, right here. All right. So it's there for you. So I will click. You see here, see calendar. Just click on calendar. Okay. So today is Wednesday, the 6th of. Is here? Can you see it? Okay. I'm behind again. This one. Can you see? Okay. It's Wednesday, the 6th of March 2013. You see this one? ADP, non-farm employment change. You see the green one? It's saying that the time is approaching, George. In exactly 8 minutes time, all right, this news will be released. All right, you see now the red envelopes. Very important. This is just to give us a bit of idea what is likely to happen on Friday. If you want to see what's happening on Friday, the daddy of all economy news is here. Let me show you, okay? You may smile at it, okay? The non-farm data usually at 8:30. You will see. You see this one here, okay? Non-farm employment change. Red envelopes here, 8:30 a.m. Eastern time, 1:30 p.m. London time. You see now? So the ADP, okay, data that we are going to have in a few minutes will give us a bit of idea. Professional watching this. The forecast here is a bit bearish because before we have a 192,000 job created, non-farm job created. Here the forecast is going to be less. If we end up having a gorgeous green bullish, okay, bigger than the forecast, okay, that will be positive for the dollar. That's the theory. But we will keep eyes on the price itself, the number one indicator, before making any decision. Now, a lot of speculators during that time will come into the market doing all sorts of things, blah blah blah, placing trade, and these are just a kind of gamblers and speculator, crazy traders. But we can't show them total disrespect. They have a total right to trade the way they want to trade and do anything that they want to do with their money. All right, going back again, you see now. So I'm watching. That's why I don't like it. I want to take my money before the profit before. All right. So what I will do, in fact, as I'm here, I'm going to move my stop loss. You can do that because I don't want to come out. Okay, but I'm in a bit of profit now. So I'm going to now move my stop loss to break even. How do you do that? I'm going to go now to the 3-minute chart and I want to show you, okay? Because I'm already in the trade, but I'm a bit stubborn, okay? But I don't want to be a stupid, stubborn trader or show total disrespect to my other traders. I will, because I entered the trade at A323, which is somewhere here. So my stop loss is like a 15p below that level. I will move my stop loss now to break even, which means my stop loss, I move it to my entry point. So if, for instance, the news came out and it was wild and wild and wild, I lose 0. And again also 0. Do I cry about it? No, I didn't lose. I didn't gain anything either. But if, for instance, the new file suddenly just go boom and it went up big time, I'm ready here. I just click on my accounts and I take my profit instantly. All right. In fact, all right, I'm in a bit of profit now. I can take it now, but I don't want to. I leave it here. But I have a feeling, this is just a feeling, all right, nothing to do about trading, that we may have an okay, a bearish news for the dollar, but that's just a feeling. Can be completely wrong. Keep eyes on the price instead. All right. So you see the video is getting a bit too long because all we want to demonstrate here is the power of okay, the master key in the trading. First thing that I want to tell traders: sometimes Okay, let's go back again. Watch it here. It's now 8333. And in exactly 4 minutes time, because the time is now 11 minutes past 11 minutes past 1, all right, p.m. in London. That's 11 minutes past 8 a.m. in New York. And the news that we are waiting for is due very soon. Exactly now in 3 minute chart is ADP non-farm employment change. You may say to me, George, I don't know anything about this. Doesn't matter if you're a technical trader, it doesn't matter. Just know that it's a very important news. You know the time it's about to do. You can do your risk control as I'm doing it here in front of you. And if you want to read about it, click on the envelope. It will tell you, click on the envelope here. Excellent job done. Estimated change in the number of employed people during the previous month, excluding the farming industry and government. That's it. It's clear enough. If the actual figure that is going to come out soon is superior, strictly, here they didn't put superior or equal, they put strictly superior to the forecast, is equal to good for currency, which means bullish for the US dollar. Sometimes you will see a gorgeous, okay, news, but the price will go down instead. Whoosh! What's going on? The market is always looking ahead. There are other news behind. One may be good, but traders, if they are more concerned about the second one, they will be more careful. What's the purpose of this video? To show you that when you are day trading, there are a bit of look. Well, in fact, it's went a bit too far. You see now? Wow, when near 50, can you see that? Well, I was talking. Well, look at that. Well, I'm going to, moment please, I want to take my profit now. I'm happy with this. I'm closing my position. Thank you. So I don't want, you see now, I just take a bit of, you see now, nice. You see how fast it ran while I was talking to you behind the scene? It just ran fast. Boom, 50. You remember what is my position is, my target is 8353. Look, you just hit it, boom. If the news come out and they want to play more, they will push it more up, okay? But I'm not greedy trader, as you can see. It didn't hit it exactly. It came near it. I took my profit now. This is why we are talking about trading like a cat. You waited, boom, you take it. You are day trader. You are not swing trader. Bank profit constantly. If it doesn't work, go away. If you have a losing trade, look at it. What went wrong? Was it the emotion? Okay. Was it your wife that was giving you a hard time? Don't blame your wife for your losing trade, though. All right. Don't blame your wife for it. Okay. It's not her fault. It's you who is making a trading decision. Or something is bothering you. That's what I mean. Okay. Something is bothering you, and you get a bit emotional. Okay. You decide to force it. Okay. I've done it myself. Okay. I still do it sometimes. All right. So it's don't think that you are the worst. It happens. Sometimes traders get emotional and they do stupid things and they look back and say, wow, how did I do that? Okay, you see? But it happens. So you think it, well, today has been a bad day. And sometimes the markets behave crazy. There was one I can show you now as we are doing this live talking about the power of the master key. Okay, day trading. There was one recently, was a Monday. Oh, sometimes you know the price, you know that the price is going to do something, and the traders will be wasting your time. That's why I'm busy posting video all the time, because I hate it when traders, okay, try to waste. You see, this is gorgeous. You see now they're changing direction fast. Now, while we are here, let's see whether the news is already out or not. What do? You click on it now, and we'll see what's happening. Okay. You see, though I'm making it a bit interesting or entertaining you here, all right, you see, it's bullish for the dollar. All right, 198, 198,000 job creation is superior to the forecast that is 172,000. All right, in fact, we went above the previous okay, gorgeous data 192. That was the previous one, so we exceeded. Very bullish for the US economy right now. All right, you see here, actual figure superior to the forecast, equal good for currency. You can read more. And you know, the first time I started looking at this page, it was weird for me because I don't usually look at the news in the past. But slowly, believe me, on my smartphone, I have Google Finance. I have also Yahoo Finance. I have Bloomberg, and I look at I check the news. All right, so it's amazing. I wasn't like that before, but just I just decided to do it because it's pointless to be fighting fundamental traders and keep losing like a mad dog, so to speak. So go back to the chart. You see. So in fact, as I was telling you, there's a resistance here. If you go on the forward chart, that's why I want sometimes you see the new we go boom, and then the professional, you see there were order here already placed to take profit and also to sell, and sometimes the price will not go up again, it will just go down the whole day. Because in fact, this currency pair we should sell it around 8353. But we will see, because when the news come out, you may just go away, okay, like an hour and come back. Sometimes you will see that everything will align better for you instead of trying to make a decision when a lot of speculators and crazy traders, all mad stochastic traders, okay, are making the decision. So you see here on the 4-hour chart, I was telling you that it's better. We went to 8 3 5 3. You see my line here. All right, this is the level where I put my this. You see the black horizontal line. That's where I was. You see how it hit it nicely there. Okay, in that zone. Okay. In fact, there is a high chance they may sell it now. Okay, all right. But if you go again to my go to this time to 2 minute chart, you can see that a lot of people their stop loss were taken out on the 4-hour chart as the price ran very fast. This is the gorgeousness of the master key day trading. But as you can see, I was also careful about economy news. I was not only technical traders. I was doing all sorts of things. I moved my stop loss to break even to control the risk, and this time it worked perfectly. Sometimes, which means the price may, if the news was buried, for instance, they may just push it and I will be taken out. But I may come out with a zero loss and zero gain because I moved my stop loss to break even. We also discussed a margin of safety. So it doesn't mean that any setup that you see, okay, you have to take it. You don't have to. You need to be selective. On the Dow 30, okay, stock 30 stocks that are listed on the Dow 30 for today, okay, talking about the 6th of March 2013, there are 22 stocks on the Dow 30 that are overbought on the 4-hour chart. The trader will look at now. You look at you see them now. You want to manually be selective. So you say, no, I don't want to play this one. No, I don't want to play this one. And you want to align it also with the Dow Jones instead, which is the index that represents also 30 stocks. Okay, I think I've said enough. Okay, and I've also shown you here the power of the master key, a day trading system. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the master key, a day traders. To purchase the master key, one must go to www.dayprotraders.com.